Hello and welcome to this video. In front of me is an interesting box. If I would pull it into view, this right here is what we call a NAS, a network attached storage. The particular one in front of me is the Ugreen NASync DXP4800 Plus. I'll give an explanation on what a network attached storage is. This is basically having your own server at home. Think of it as your own personal Google Drive or Dropbox situated at home, whereby you can store everything that you need and you can access it from anywhere. So right here, as we can see, this is the DXP4800 Plus, a very well packaged, very nice box, looks very, very premium. Say you have maxed out your storage on your PC or laptop or whichever option you have. A NAS helps you in a manner such that you can store files in your NAS and access them within your home network. Now, the beauty of having the DXP4800 Plus is one, it is a very premium NAS. The build quality is very good. And as for the specs, it is a 4-bay NAS that comes with an Intel Pentium Gold 8505, a 5-core CPU. It also offers 10 gigabit Ethernet, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, and a 4K HDMI port. So this is the NAS. We can put it to the side and we can just check out the accessories. So what do we have here? We have a warranty box. We have some documentation. Yeah, put that to the side. So we have a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, a screwdriver, and screws. So right here we have some Ethernet cable. This is Cat 7. Yes, this is a Cat 7 cable. We have 2 of them. I believe this is a thermal for your drives. This NAS gives you the opportunity to install 2 M.2 drives, and this is the thermal compound for that. These are some keys for the drive bays. This is the power plug. I believe I got a Chinese power plug, but that's okay. We have the screwdrivers. I think I'll just use mine. So this is a screwdriver and some screws. And finally the adapter. So yeah, this is the adapter that we are going to use. How many watts is this? 150.1 watts adapter. So yeah, that's it in the accessories box. I'm going to put this to the side. So here is on us. I'm going to open it up. So this is the front side of our NAS. As we can see, we have the different drive bays. So we have the different drive bays. Drive 1 to 4. We have 4 cartridges. This can do both mechanical drives and sensor drives. On the front face of our NAS, we have a power button, 5 LED lights, whereby one is for LAN connection, the others are for the drives, an SD card slot, a 10 gigabit USB-C port, and a 10 gigabit USB-A port. On the rear side, this is a mesh, is a magnetic dust resistant mesh. On the rear side of our NAS, we see a 4K HDMI port, a 5 gigabit USB-A port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a 2.5 gig Ethernet port, a 10.5 gig Ethernet port, finally our power adapter port. On the underside of our NAS, there is a compartment that you can open using the provided screwdriver, and here you can upgrade your RAM and your M.2 SSD. So basically, that is our NAS. But in order for a NAS to operate, we need drives. And Ugreen does have a list of compatible drives with their NASes. I went with 4 6TB Western Digital drives. So these are 4 6TB Western Digital drives. So here they are. These are Western Digital Red Plus drives, 6 TB each. So this will be 24 TB in total. But I'm planning to run RAID 5, which means this will be a parity drive. So the available storage will be around 18 TB. I'm going to do a video on setting this up. So let's see.